Have you ever wondered if email marketing is one of the most powerful marketing tools? Do you often wonder what are the reasons for starting your own email marketing business? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of unknown email marketing resources? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about email marketing. Reasons you must start doing it today. Now let's get into it. Do you want to market your business for fractions of a penny per message? Email marketing is one of the most powerful marketing tools available to your small business. You can achieve outstanding results with email marketing while investing only a small amount of time and money. Combining that with the potential to target more precisely than direct mailings, that's a real win for the small business owner. In tough economic times, it is crucial to continue marketing your business and maximize the marketing dollars you're spending. Email marketing is a perfect way to keep your business in front of your customers' and prospects' eyes. Sometimes, people unfamiliar with email marketing get nervous about it because the first thing they think about is spam, or they've heard that most people don't open their email, right? Wrong. Targeted mailings that pique interest result in high email open rates, and an opportunity to build relationships with your customers and make some sales. As for the spam issue, mailing only to people who have given you permission to do so minimizes the risk of being labeled a spammer. Using myself as an example, I have mailed thousands of emails to my clients and prospective clients, and have not had one spam complaint. Following is a list of 5 reasons you must start email marketing now. 1. Email marketing is inexpensive. Email marketing is an affordable way to stretch a tight marketing budget. Unlike direct mail, there is virtually no production, materials, or postage expense. Email marketing can cost as little as a fraction of a penny per email. The expenses involved in email marketing involve having a hosted website with email capacity. You may also want to consider subscribing to a list management service, such as Constant Contact or Aweber, to help manage your email campaigns. The fees for this service range from about $15 to $20 per month, which includes unlimited emails. 2. Email marketing is highly targeted. You can easily segment your email database into different groups so that your promotions go to individuals most likely to respond to your offer. For example, you may send one offer to existing clients, and send a different one to prospects who've expressed interest in your products or services. 3. Email marketing is proactive. Email marketing enables you to proactively communicate with your existing customers and prospects, instead of passively waiting for them to return to your website or storefront. It is a highly effective way to communicate promotional offers, news, and seminars, which may result in an increase in sales, drive traffic to your website or store, and develop customer trust and loyalty through relationship building. Sending out a monthly email campaign will keep your business in front of your customers' and prospects' eyes. 4. Email marketing generates an immediate response. Promotional emails include a call to action that can result in immediate responses. Initial campaign responses generally occur within 48 hours of the time the email campaign is sent. Testing and refining your campaigns is immediate. If you use a list management service, you can gauge the open rates of your email campaigns, which provides useful and immediate information you can use to tweak your campaign messages. 5. Email marketing is easy. The web-based email marketing products available to small businesses are easy to use. The services available through Constant Contact and Aweber, as well as others, include professional HTML templates, list segmentation and targeting capabilities, as well as automatic tracking and reporting of your email campaign effectiveness, such as for open rates, bounces, and spam reports. If you're not a techie, have no fear. You don't need a webmaster or technical person on staff to handle the development and distribution of your email campaigns. Email marketing works because it allows precise targeting of your marketing message, it builds loyalty and trust with your customers, it is inexpensive, and best of all, it drives sales. Include email marketing in your arsenal of marketing tools. Uncover The best email marketing resources known to man. Online advertising through email has garnered a considerable amount of trust among marketers and has gained considerable visibility on the internet. The long list of options and effects that may be brought about by online marketing all come together with the idea of gaining product visibility and customer patronage, obtainable through the easy, convenient, and low-cost technology of email communication. Email marketing extends from company notices for the customer regarding product information and purchase-related concerns, to entire newsletters that include every possible piece of knowledge related to the product that the marketer wants to make customers aware of. The information that may be included in an email marketing communique is endless and comes down merely to message selection and execution designed to have the greatest impact on the customer. Considering this trend, there have emerged an extensive number of resources available to marketers who want to take advantage of the benefits of email marketing. These tools offer a vast range of tools from marketing advice, industry news, and directories that may prove essential for effective marketing strategies. Clicks. One of the most trusted email marketing resources online, this website provides technology-related news, internet research results, company features, expert opinion pieces, and even case studies and interviews regarding a number of available products and emerging online trends. iMedia Connections. This site works to provide various products and services for email marketers, with one of its offers being an information hub of several email techniques that email marketers may take into consideration upon launching their ad campaigns. Be relevant. This page that at first glance takes the look of a simple online blog and provides valuable information regarding the best and most effective practices to be considered by any marketer using email as the main communication tool. Focused on email marketing, the website features articles with titles such as Use Serialization to Boost Your Readership, Study Reveals Email Tactics of Top U.S. Retailers, Cool Email Idea, Email to Encourage Store Traffic, and How to Make Sure Your Email is Legal. The website is a great information source for tips and reminders related to email marketing. DotCom. This provides a comprehensive online directory that features email marketing agencies, email consultants, and various services that give assistance for other online marketing strategies such as online ad space, cost-per-click ads, and newsletters. About.com. One of the biggest information sources on the World Wide Web, this collection of articles and other resources contains a section on email marketing, complete with everything from tips, technology and marketing strategies, and other related pieces of advice that may in the long run be valuable to advertisers. Some of the available entries include those titled Instruments of Email Marketing, Address Recipients with Their Name in Email Campaigns, Email Marketing Needs to Reflect Your Corporate Design, and Inform Your ISP about Your Email Marketing Activities. Email Marketers Club. A haven for advertisers depending on the email technology for their marketing needs. This website provides an online network for email marketers, thereby providing their subscribers access to contacts, advice, and other information that can only be gained from those involved in the same game they are. Campaign Monitor. The website provides a source of ideas for email marketing designs, with contributions as well as suggestions centering on the most common design issues. Email marketers interested in achieving the greatest level of effectiveness from their email designs will find assistance with a featured product that promises no nasty templates or design restrictions, comprehensive design testing, and the option to run your email through spam filters before you send it. Other features include other additional tools such as email personalization, a send schedule, and other related elements. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about email marketing. Reasons you must start doing it today. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell, so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.